The overall goal of this procedure is to prepare age and passage-matched mock and KSHV infected endothelial cells to enable the study of KSHV-associated changes in host cell gene expression, including alterations driving malignant transformation in the context of appropriate controls.
This method can help define the key pathophysiological changes in host cell biology that lead to KSHV-associated cancers, thus identifying novel therapeutic targets for disease prevention or treatment. The main advantage of this system is that malignant transformation of endothelial cells following infection with KSHV occurs rapidly and reproducibly, allowing the study of early events in the oncogenic process with age and passage-matched control cells.
Though this model of viral oncogenesis can provide insight into Kaposi sarcoma development, it can also be applied to other cancer types.
Because Kaposi sarcoma is a vascular tumor, the implications of this cell culture model extend toward understanding other disease processes driven by pathological angiogenesis.
To begin, prepare and filter sterilized TNE buffer as described in the text protocol, then store the solution at 4 degrees Celsius. Culture the KSHV positive EBV negative primary effusion lymphoma cell line BCBL1 in a T150 flask filled with 60 milliliters of rPMI medium. Maintain the cells at 37 degrees Celsius 5% carbon dioxide to obtain a suspension of approximately 1 to 1.2 times 10 to the 6 cells per milliliter. Once the proper density is reached, split the cells 1 to 2 with fresh medium and add PMA to a final concentration of 20 nanograms per milliliter to induce KSHV production. Then, incubate